If you've got a Ford key fob like this one, that springs open, Ford there, and 3 symbols there with the metal bit on the back, you're probably looking at this video because you've had a warning on your dashboard that says your battery's low or your battery may have run out. So how do you change the battery in this? Really easy, let's do it. And all we need to do is first of all take this back cap off, which is nice and easy. You've got to flick the key open, and then on this underside, on the underside here, there's a hole that you put a screwdriver into. Let's get a closer look at that. And put the torch on it, there you can go. You can see the hole there, and we need to use a screwdriver just to prise the cap off it. All right, so we've got the screwdriver, and we're just going to pop it into the hole, and we're going to lift the screwdriver up in this direction, and we should hear it just crack off. Let's find it. There we go. Now you see it's come off there. We're just going to pull it all the way off, and underneath you've got the battery, and as you can see it's a CR2032, so we just need to find that replacement and pop it in. Here we go. 2032, 6 of those. I think they were probably just a couple of pound off eBay or something like that. We'll use one of those and get it replaced. Right, so we're going to take the Panasonic one out, replace it with the new one. To do that, get yourself a screwdriver and just pop it under the side there, and it flips up. Remove that, and as you can see there in the light, it's the plus on the front, so the negative on the back. So we want to replicate that. There's the positive on the new one, and put the screwdriver down, get it, pop it in, and click it home. And that's it, one battery replaced. And if we get the cover, all you do, get it, pop it on, and it should just click home. And that's it. All done, all replaced. Let's try it in the car, but I'm sure that will be fantastic with no warnings. Right, let's try the key in. Get it started. And close the door. So there we go, it's not showing any warnings anymore, which is fantastic. So it just took a couple of minutes and it was all done.